I want to show you my greenhouse in Texas. It's July 18th. It's about 98 degrees outside. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Some guys are roofing over there, so if you hear that, that's what you're hearing. I want to show you. Also, I got a new Vermibag that's in here that I want to show you. I want to show you how hot it is. Can you see? It's 145 degrees on this west wall of the greenhouse. When I open the door, it's noticeably cooler in here. I have the whole north side insulated. There's my Vermibag. There's my exhaust fan. The floor is 97 degrees. The other side of the west wall is 105. It's 90 degrees for the soil there. Over here on the east side, it's 89. I'm trying to get the worms out of here. It's 87 in here. Here's my Vermibag. This is the feeding side. So it has food, so it is usually a little bit warmer. I flush this out every day with cool water and I put ice cubes in there. It's 87 in there. I go down a few inches. It's 83, so that's doable. On this side, you can see there's the ice things that I put out in the morning. On this side, it is 67, so plenty cool enough in here. These are my plants that I have going. There's turmeric. There is my dragon fruit. I'm starting some figs down here. I have a desert rose. It's pretty much the summer thing. This is my other composting bin from Daily Dump. I think it's the cutest thing ever. Anyway, I just wanted to show you, you can use your greenhouse in July in Texas and it still works.